Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about how I pass the EPS TOPIK exam by memorizing these keywords, and I'd like to share it with you. You will encounter these keywords in the test questionnaire. If you are familiar with the keywords, it will be easier for you to answer the questions because you already have the idea of what is being asked in the question. Please watch this tutorial video till the end. And if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and tap the notification bell to get notified every time I uploaded a new video. Here are the keywords. Let's get started. Almatnin God. It means the question is looking for the right answer or appropriate answer. Almatnin God. Matnin God means right answer. The question is looking for the right answer. Matnin God. Jungshim Shingat. It means correct answer. The question is looking for the correct answer. Jungshim Shingat. Katungat, meaning correct answer. The question is looking for the correct answer. Katungat. Kwangyo itnangat means correct answer. The question is looking for the correct answer. Kwangyo itnangat. Katungat means same thing. The question is looking for the same thing. Katungat. Kwangge itnan means related. The question is looking for the related answer. Kwangge itnan. Tehan means about what? About what you read or heard. Tehan. Tarengat means different thing or wrong answer. The question is looking for the different thing or wrong answer. Tarengat. Talingat means wrong answer. The question is looking for the wrong answer. Talingat. Machianingat means incorrect answer. The question is looking for the incorrect answer. Machianingat. Aningat means wrong answer. The question is looking for the wrong answer. Aningat. Talingat means wrong answer. The question is looking for the wrong answer. Talingat. Taringat means wrong answer. The question is looking for the wrong answer. Taringat. Aningat means wrong answer. The question is looking for the wrong answer. Anin means not. Aningot. Apnungot means wrong answer. The question is looking for the wrong answer. Apnungot. Pinkane terugal means fill in the blank. The question is asking to fill in the blank. Pinkane terugal. Kajang means the best or the most. The question is looking for the best or most answer. Crucipsio means please choose. The questions wants you to choose the answer. Please choose. Crucipsio. Itnan means there is. The question is telling you that there is a correct or wrong answer, best or most answer among the choices of answers. Itnan means there is. Tedab means answer. Tedab. Tedab. Answer. Chelmun means question. Chelmun. Chelmun. Question. This is how I passed the EPS topic exam. That's why I'd like to share it with you. Please be familiar with these keywords. Best of luck and have fun learning! Thanks for watching. See you on the next lesson. Please subscribe to my channel. Annyeong!